On the anterior compartment of the leg, we find muscles that dorsiflex the foot or extend the toes. The extensor digitorum longus muscle will be found somewhat of an intermediate layer, and this has 4 long tendons that are going to attach to the dorsal surface of toes 2 through 5. And so this muscle dorsiflexes the foot and extends toes 2 through 5. The extensor hallucis longus is a very small and thin muscle that is found very deep. And so you actually have to get directly underneath the tibialis anterior. And so this will send a tendon to the dorsum of the great toe, so it dorsiflexes the foot and extends the great toe. The tibialis anterior is on the anterior compartment and also will be superficial, and it's going to be the primary dorsiflexor of the foot at the ankle. This muscle is going to attach to the medial plantar side of the foot, so it is going to invert the foot. And the best way to find this muscle is it is going to lie right next to the tibia bone. In the posterior compartment, what we have is on the superficial layer, the gastrocnemius. And this is the most superficial muscle that we find, and it has 2 thick muscled bellies here, and the lateral head and the medial head that are going to come together at the common tendon of what's known as our Achilles tendon. This muscle is known as our calf muscle, and it spans both the knee and the ankle joints. So its action is to flex the leg and plantar flex the foot. The soleus muscle now is going to be deep to the gastrocnemius, and it's going to be broad and flat muscle that is going to resemble a flat fish when the anatomist had named this. So the action of this muscle is for plantar flexion of the foot. On the posterior compartment, deep layer now, we have the flexor digitorum longus, and this is going to be a muscle that attaches to the distal phalanges of toes 2 through 5. And so it's involved for plantar flexion of the foot as well as flexion of the toes 2 through 5. The flexor hallucis longus muscle now will be more lateral, and this though has the proximal attachment to the fibula, but the tendon is going to travel medially and run along the plantar side of the foot so that it can attach to the distal phalanx of the great toe. So if we erase all this here, if we follow this now, here is the tendon, and see it crosses over so that it attaches to the big toe here. And so this muscle plantar flexes the foot and flexes the great toe. The popliteus muscle is going to be deep, and it will medially rotate the tibia slightly to help unlock it during full extension of the knee. So this muscle only moves the knee,